Che, you fucked it up.
Spit it over the head first and pass it on over to the girl with the red shirt. Go. And she says it well. She did that. That's from Dave Chappelle.
Oh!
Detox name. How about you flow with the Beats by Dre? Go.
And my name was Shuttle, and my girlfriend wear black panties. And I'm on the beat. All of y'all niggas know me. I'm from Brooklyn. I go hard. Go hard. I drive cars. I'm next with the beat now. Niggas know.
2 Chainz.
I said 2 trains. Fuck that nigga 2 Chainz. Titty boy. I hold this girl titty boy.
Yo, speed. Hold on, wait. Speed it up. We're gonna do the 2 Chainz flow. The 2 Chainz flow.
Yo.
Yeah. Yo. Let's go.
I'm loving it.
Yo, I'm on the bird side. See the kid? He got an orange shirt.
I'm loving it.
Like McDonald's, yo. You got that flow? What up, Burger King? You heard that thing? Everybody say it. Everybody say it. Everybody say it. Everybody. There we go.
Yo, listen up. I'm a nigga front. Act up, you get cracked up. And niggas know I wrestle. If niggas act up, you get smacked up. I don't give a fuck. Yo, I'm black. Niggas know.
Hold on, wait. Yo, he rhyming, kid. What a violence. What a violence. What a violence.
You buy my son CD for $4.
$5.
$4.
$5.
$4. $5. $5.
$5. All your dollars.
Take $1 out your wallet, give me the wallet. Cold ride, Q train, give me the wallet. You flip and do that shit. Hat tricks, backflip, then grab your neck.
Wait. I tap this, I can't flip. I'm high like a spaceship. My two things got fake tick. 2 Chainz. Slave ship. That's 2 Chainz. 2 Chainz. That's 2 Chainz. Slave ship. That's it. That's all we got.
Beatbox.
Yeah. Hold on. Ball so hard. Here we go. Paris.
Ball so hard, Rich Bomb's crazy. That shit crazy.
All y'all gotta say is no, we don't. All right? Just say no, we don't. Hold on, wait. Pull so hard.
No, we don't.
Pull so hard.
No, we don't.
You gonna flow?
No, we don't.
Let's go, guys.